Today we bring you Coral Island, powered by Red Bull. Hi guys, Sean here from 5-Star Marine with Jay!
Hello, I'm Jay. Can I just say...
we're at the map.
I don't care about the map. Can I just say Dr. Pepper is better than Red Bull? Anyway, carry on. We're at the map!
We're at the map. What are we doing?
I don't know. Sean is a little bit tired, so that's why he was having a can of Red Bull before, and I forced him to do this video because I said we need to do a video, Sean.
No. We are doing a walk-through of Coral Island.
Well, technically we're not walking through, we're talking. We're doing a talk-through.
Actually, you know, you want to speak so much? This is your favourite island, you talk about it.
Oh, someone's got the ump today. Someone didn't get enough sleep last night because he's too busy. I can't tell you what he's been doing because, yeah, it's a secret. Anyway, today we're going to go to Coral Island, one of my favourite islands.
So like all tours, it starts with a pickup from your accommodation.
I knew you'd do this.
They're going to bring you to the pier where you're going to meet your wonderful guide.
Hello, I'm Jay. I'm your guide today. Welcome to the map.
Before the map, if you would like coffee, juice,
no, don't
water,
have the coffee. The coffee's not very nice.
If you'd like any of that, that's all here available as you check in. Once you've checked in, you're going to see your guide, you're going to fill in your insurance, they're going to bring you to the map, and they're going to tell you what to expect from this tour.
Okay.
Before we do that, Jay.
Oh, God, yes, Sean.
Why do you like Coral Island so much? This made it into your top 4 snorkeling destinations.
Yeah. Okay, I can tell you exactly why I like Coral Island so much. And it is a popular island, and it can get quite busy there.
Yes.
But the reason I like it so much is, one, I actually think the snorkeling there is some of the best snorkeling within an hour's drive around Phuket or an hour boat trip.
A lot of buses are coming, talk faster.
Okay, a lot of buses. Oh my God. Oh, there's people arriving. Anyway, so I like that. Plus there's facilities there. I think the food's really good there. The restaurant's really nice. I think the service is very good. There's lots of hornbills.
They have a viewpoint?
They have a great viewpoint, and they've got some great Instagram places, and the beach is lovely. And when
they have water sports?
Yes, they have water sports. I like
banana
water
boating.
sports. They have banana boating, but they also have the
parasailing.
Would you calm down? The see-through kayaks as well. I really like them.
Yeah,
I'm not so keen on parasailing. It's less than what? It's less than an hour. I'd say about 45 minutes.
Yeah. So once you've done your briefing, you're going to jump onto your boat. On your boat, you're going to have
people.
Water,
oh, sorry. I was going to do that bit.
Snorkels.
Yeah, we will provide everything for you apart from alcohol. If you want to take alcohol, you have to take it yourself.
And we're going to head on out and come down to Coral Island.
And if you don't want to go straight there, we can stop. We can actually put other islands on the tour. In fact, we could arrange a 3-island tour where you can stop at Kai, stop at Mai Ton, and then go to Coral. That's called the Jay the Shark 3-island tour.
Oh,
it's a good one. And I can tell you why it's really good. Good snorkeling.
We're not doing a video about that one.
Oh, we'll do a video about that one
another day.
Okay.
So anyway, generally at Coral, we're going to go around to the backside. Jay likes.
I like the backside of Coral.
So that you can do some snorkeling off the boat. Then we're going to come around to maybe Banana Beach, grab some lunch, and that's where there's some water sports and
the snorkeling.
There's zip lining there. Did you see that?
Well, yeah. I'm not sure I would recommend doing the zip line.
Lucas did it.
Did he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He loved it.
I know. I wasn't keen when I saw it.
Okay.
I saw a couple of the knots. I was like, not sure about that.
So you could do some lunch, you could do some beach time.
But the food there is really good.
From the beach?
Snorkeling from the beach or snorkeling from the back end, both very good. There's amazing coral, there's eels there, there's loads.
And also, if you don't like Banana Beach, there are other beaches here on Coral Island.
That's right.
And if you name them?
No, I can't, to be honest. Long Beach, it's called. I think it's. Also, there's a bit of not a beach club, but if you want more of a funky kind of feel, there's a family side. But if you want there, it's on the other side. But you can go and do that as well. So there's kind of two sides.
Gym there? Outdoor gym?
There is an outdoor gym. I worked out there once, not anymore.
Yeah, you'll get the joke when you go there.
Yeah.
This tour is actually really good for families, both young families and families with mixed age groups.
I was going to say for the dithering old people.
Because it really does have something to offer for everybody. For us, it's a staple Sunday trip. It's something that Lucas will go and do every Sunday. He loves it there. He loves to eat the calamari at the restaurant.
Oh, it's good.
There's fishing around there, so he can do...
Crispy prawn's good. Oh, there's great fishing around the island as well.
It's just one of those really easy day tours, and it's something
that
if you're looking for an easy day without a lot of travel, without a lot of stress, Coral Island's a perfect option for you.
And also, like I said, it's got sunshade, it's got deck chairs, it's got all the facilities. If you go to the toilet, it's got everything. And it's got a spa. You can go and get a massage there as well.
And then after we've normally finished at Coral, we're going to come back to Rang.
Yeah, we can do Rang, why not?
Yeah, and at Rang you can...
Well, at Rang, you can go ATV and you can go jet skiing, you can go and chill out at the bar, you can have some nice food, you can just chill out on the beach, or you go for a walk. along the beautiful tropical white sands.
And you can watch sunset there if you like.
Yeah, the sunset's
and
nice.
then a nice little sunset cruise back into the
That's
pier.
right. All in all, it is a fabulous tour.
It's a great
really
tour.
is.
It really is, and it's one of our more popular tours for young families.
I think it's a great tour.
Again, any age, I think
the
it's gonna
snorkeling, Sean, is really good. You can walk out and just put your head down and you can see stuff. There are sea urchins, I have to be honest.
Yes.
There are a few sea urchins, but as long as you go over them, they're fine. It's
and
great.
I would say for a lot of our expat guests, those who live here in Phuket permanently, Coral Island would be a staple tour that they do with us 3 or 4 times a year.
We also, when we have school groups, when I have team building groups, I generally always take them down to Coral Island because it's perfect. It's perfect for everybody.
How come you're not wearing a new shirt?
Oh, I got told off about the new shirts because I did a video.
Them.
No. I did a video yesterday about the new
It's
shirts.
not relevant. But we're meant to be
No,
doing
it is
the new
relevant.
shirts.
It is relevant. I got the new shirts yesterday and I had to do a video and then they all got sweaty because I had to do the video twice because I mucked up the first time. That's right.
Anyway, guys, like, subscribe, and listen
That's
to
my
Jay.
bit. That's my bit. If you want to book the Coral Island tour, then you can. Just send us a message. Please like and subscribe. And just remember, give us that.
Don't drink it.
Don't drink Red Bull, kids. Drink Dr. Pepper. That's right. Oh, come on. You can't look at you. Honestly, just... What? You've just had a little bit of Red Bull. I'm not sure you can do Red Bull. We're going to get told off.
Really?
I can't believe I'm dressing you and we're filming this. Carl, make sure you put this on camera.
Does he have to cut out the Red Bull part?
I'm not sure if we're allowed to have Red Bull on or not.
Why? Why wouldn't we?
I don't know. I don't know why I'm dressing you.
No. You mean that it's like against Thailand laws?
Well, now I've got to check the microphone.
Or it's against someone else's laws? Why
Well,
have we got microphones on and you've got a microphone on?
No. The fluff microphone isn't on. But I could just say, Dr. Pepper might get upset with us.
Okay.